if you are just getting started and you feel like you might not be able to afford to pay such a to go for all this plan, any of this plan, you can get started with the free plugin and test it and see how to navigate it. Personally, for me, I make use of the free plugins to build and design most of my WordPress websites, and I know how to leverage it to some extent, such a way whereby I the website is actually going to look more professional as well. But the premium pricing plan for this plugin for Elementor is going to give you access to more features and more functionalities when you are customizing your WordPress website. And one thing you should also know is that once you are immediately you buy the plugin, you'll be given a license key to activate the plugin. So the license key is what is going to give you access to activate it on your WordPress website and to start working with the Pro plugin, having access to the Pro features, and you can easily have access to build a more professional and advanced website with the Elementor Pro plugin. But a quick bonus tips, you can as well, because some plugins, GPL plugins. So if you go to Google and search for GPL plugins, there are some platforms whereby you can get some of these premium plugins for a cheap price. For instance, Elementor. So if you search for Elementor GPL plugins, you see some platforms that are selling it for a lesser price, but you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Okay, so this is a platform now that is selling Elementor Pro plugin. Let's see. I think it's showing me the currency. Can find a means to change the currency, but you can see here how much they are selling it. I think this is in, I don't know this currency actually. Let's check another website. Okay, this is GPLDLD. You can as well check. There are a lot of websites that are offering something like this. So this is another one, wplocal.com. Yes, so you can check it here and you will be able to have access to pay. Some will give you access to download the Premium Pro plugin for free. Maybe it's an hacked or cracked plugin, but you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful of where you are downloading these plugins from, because sometimes developers or these people can use it to hack your website.